everybody that designs a circuit board and has it fabricated needs a DFM analysis. There's a lot of designers in the industry that have been designing circuit boards for a long time, and they're very good at it. But there's also a large percentage of designers that design for their application. They have no idea how to design for a particular manufacturer. So in essence, everybody's circuit goes through a DFM analysis before it gets fabricated. What our engineers do is they go over the design to identify two things. They want to make sure that the design meets all IPC standards. And the second thing is they want to make sure that it meets all manufacturing standards too, so that it's a design that is robust and can be duplicated at high qualities without being changed over and over and over again. The main benefit is that we find any problems. If we look it over and suggest some changes so that it meets standards for manufacturing, then you won't have any issues when you get the boards back. You won't have any surprises. And if the board happens to work the first time in your application, the board can go right straight into production and there will be no surprises there either. I'm not sure that we handle it differently. I guess truthfully we would handle it for our own capabilities. That would be one unique characteristic of our analysis. We review every single design that we get to make sure that it's going to be a robust design the first time and every time.